It's Catherine McGinnis from Soaping101. I'm pleased to partner with the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild to bring you a video on creating the drop swirl soap technique. The drop swirl is one of the most beginner-friendly soap techniques, an easy way to add color and design to your creations. We'll use the recipe shown on your screen. Begin by adding 5 ounces of lye to 13 ounces of ice water. Always add the lye to the liquid and never the other way around. Once blended, set aside your lye water and melt your oils. When the pre-mixed oil and lye water are at a temperature between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, slowly pour the lye water into the oils. Using an immersion blender, mix until trace, or the point where all the ingredients are fully combined and there's no oil slicks floating on top. Divide 1/3 of the soap batter into 3 containers. Add your fragrance proportionately to each and blend. Choose 3 colors for your swirl. This is mica that has been hydrated with water. The base of the soap will remain uncolored, and the recipe that we are using will cure it to a pale golden color. We'll make sure our colors are thoroughly incorporated by first hand stirring and then using the immersion blender. You want to mix from the lightest color to the darkest. Add 1/3 of the base color into the mold. Pour all the colors in varied lines, alternating between each. There's no pattern, just back and forth across the mold. Raising the pitcher higher above the mold will allow the colors to break the surface and create a swirling type effect. You can also try pouring from varied heights. Scoop the remainder of the base color onto the top. Tap your mold firmly on your work surface to dislodge any trapped air bubbles. You can add the remainder of the colors randomly on top. Then use the spatula to twist on some texture. We'll set this soap in an area undisturbed away from pets and children for 24 hours. Now's the fun part, cutting the soap to reveal our design. Each bar will be different and unique. I'll allow this soap to cure until all the water has dissipated out for a harder and longer lasting bar. Enjoy your soap making journey, and be sure to check out all of the helpful videos and information from the HSCG Resource Center.